Welcome to our Framework Focus video, where we discuss the Association of College and Research Libraries Framework for Information Literacy for Higher Education. The framework shifts students away from only learning the mechanics of searching towards developing a more holistic understanding of research. To learn more, check out our About the Framework video. The framework has divided research skills into 6 themes called frames. In this video, we're talking about the frame Authority is Constructed and Contextual, which emphasizes that information resources reflect their creators' expertise and credibility and are evaluated based on the context in which the information is produced and used. Authority is constructed in that various communities may recognize different types of authority. Right now, you and your students are in an academic context, so information in academic journals, published by scholars, is often treated as the top authority. It is contextual in that the information need may help to determine the type of authority required. Finding information is quicker than ever. A simple Google search will allow you to find thousands, if not millions, of information sources. That's not to mention the advances in generative AI. The hard part is figuring out which credible sources are authoritative based on the context of what you need. You wouldn't have your students look for articles about the Flint water crisis by journalists in the UK. You would want them to read studies from people who can be seen as experts on the topic. For example, doctors who treated patients or advocates who reviewed the cases. You might also want them to consider that testimonials from people in Flint, Michigan who directly experienced the crisis represent a different kind of credibility or authority, as might newspaper articles about the effects. The context of information matters. Experts in the field create the community of learning about that topic, which then creates the context for learning. The librarians are your partner in teaching how to find information on a variety of topics. We demonstrate how to evaluate information for reliability and help students consider other impacts of authority, such as biases of admission or exclusion. These biases occur when voices are missing from the scholarly conversation. The bottom line? Information is judged in part based on its creator's credibility and is applied in context. We teach that authority is constructed and contextual and invite students to think critically. We might ask, how do you determine credibility? Students should understand that one's place within a community of learning can determine their authority in a conversation with people outside of an academic field, like their families. A person with relevant degree is usually the most trusted. In a community of experts, such as the scholarly community in a particular field, the quality of evidence determines credibility, and experts may defer to other specialists on a specific subject. What makes a source authoritative? Students should know that depending on the information need, different people can be authorities on a topic. Their foodie friend can be an authority on the best places to eat in the area, while an acknowledged expert in the field would be the most authoritative source when doing research on a scholarly topic. What points of view might be missing? This question shows students that there may be other people with authority on the topic that haven't been included in the creation of scholarly materials, and to seek out perspectives from groups that aren't primarily represented in the field. If this framework aligns with the work that you're doing in your classroom, consider partnering with your liaison librarian. We are happy to work alongside you to help you develop students' information literacy skills. Thank you for listening.